Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be answering one of your comments, and the comment I'm going to be answering today is from someone called Car5911. Now their comment says, where did you get this stand from for the coins and bars? Now the stand that they're referring to is the stand in the back of my videos. Now I've actually got two of those stands. Let me just find the other one. There we go. So this is what they look like without coins on them. They're made from wood. They're quite sturdy. And they're covered in this felt so it protects your silver. So really, really cool, simple design. And I actually reached out to someone to make this for me because I couldn't find anything like this for sale anywhere else. So I actually contacted someone that I know that works with woodwork and likes making different things. And I asked them if they could make me something, and this is what they came up with. And it's really cool because you can literally put any piece of silver that you want on there. You can put 10-ounce bars, 1-ounce coins. I think that bar fits on there as well. So you've got a nice kind of lip on there to play with. And it's just really cool, especially if you're making YouTube videos and you want to display bits of silver in the backdrop. It just works really, really nice. Now, that comment isn't the first comment I've seen with someone asking where I got this display stand from. So I actually contacted the person again that made this for me, and I said that would you be interested in making these available for sale, because I have had a few people mention they like the look of them. And this person that made me this is actually willing to make these for sale. I won't make any money from this. It's not like an affiliation code or anything like that. It's literally someone that I know that just likes making things. So if you're interested in picking up one of those display stands, I will leave a link to it in the description of this video. I think they're currently listed for £15, and then it's around about £5 postage, I think, in the UK. So it works out around £20, which is actually really good, because when I was trying to find something similar for sale online, I could only find stands made out of wood that looked good enough quality to have in the back of my videos for around about £30 and upwards. So it's quite a reasonable price. Currently, he only ships to the UK. So if you live in America, you can't actually pick up this, or if you live anywhere else in the world, you can't actually pick these up because the postage wouldn't really make sense. The postage for them would probably work out similar to the price of the actual stand itself, so it'd kind of double in price. But yeah, if you live in the UK, especially, like I said, if you're making videos, or even if you just want something cool to display your pieces of silver on, I will leave a link in the description below, so you can go and check it out. Like I said, I don't make any financial gains or anything like it from that. I've purely asked the person if they are willing to sell them, because there's been a number of people now that have messaged me asking where I got it from. So I hope you enjoyed that short video. Like I said, every single Monday I'm going to be answering someone's comment on a video. So do leave your questions in today's video, and next Monday I'll go through and I'll pick the best comment and I'll answer it in the next video. So as always, thanks very much for watching my videos. Thanks for all the support, and I hope you have a very nice day.